Good morning, Fly Babies. It's me, Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. I've slipped away. I'm at my parents' house. I'm in their backyard. It's such a beautiful morning. The sun is shining. The azaleas are starting to bloom. It's definitely spring here where I live in Northeast Florida. Today is Wednesday, and so for Wednesday, here's what we're going to do. Get up this morning and do your morning routine. After you've taken care of yourself with your morning routine, including your kitchen, your bathroom, and your bedroom, then you're going to wake up your children and put them through their quick little morning routine. Remember, for children, it's make your bed, wash your face, brush your teeth, fix your hair, put on your clothes, put your PJs away or in the dirty clothes, wipe the toothpaste out of the sink, and hang up your hand towel. Then come into the kitchen and have a little breakfast. Okay, after that, let me get the sun off my face a little bit. There you go. After that, we're going to, if you're working, you're going to go to work. And after work, you get to work, you're going to have your break and your lunch. And then you're going to think about what's going on at home. So this is for my payroll lions. So at work, when you think about what's going on at work, at home, you're going to think, okay, did I get my basic weekly home blessing hour done? I know I drill that to you all the time into you. 10 minutes a day will get it done, except for 10 minutes that are left on Saturday. So what have you not done in your basic weekly plan? If you haven't done any of it and you want to do part of it, that'll just leave you with the rest. So if you do Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you'll only have 3 things left to do on Saturday if you work at 10 minutes a day while your dinner's cooking. All right, so when you come home today, you're going to put on your laundry, listen for it, because you're going to have to get it in the dryer and hang it up and put it away, or fold it up and put it away. You're going to go through your inch of paper until it's all gone, and you have no more paper. That day will come, and may have already for many of you. I'm so pleased for you if it has. You're going to control the paper that comes into the house by going through that mail every day and throwing all that garbage away, only putting things that require your action or filing in your in basket to be handled on Wednesdays, which is today. So for your basic weekly home blessing hour, that's going to happen when you come home and while dinner's cooking. So after you've got your laundry going, you've gone through your paper, you're going to start supper. I don't care if it's early, start it. Get it going so you don't have to have a lot of mess. This way you'll have more time to clean your pots and pans as you go, or clean up your utensils and things, so you don't have a big giant mess when you turn around after serving dinner and go, ugh. It's not that hard. Don't make it as hard as you've been making it if that's happening to you. Have a little sink full of soapy water and handle things as you dirty them up. That way it won't be a mess. Also, things don't have a chance to dry and be hard to clean up. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is have supper. Now, oh no, we're not. The next thing we're going to do is our zone, and we're in zone 2, the kitchen, for the rest of this week. So if you still have clutter in the kitchen, now's your time. After you've got your 10 minutes done of your basic weekly home blessing hour, if you haven't delegated that, and you can even delegate from this position. You're at home cooking, put a child on one of those 10-minute items, or put 2 kids on one item. You can do that. And then when you're done with that, see my little dog, my parents' little dog in the background. She's enjoying the pretty weather. After that, we're going to have dinner. And then after dinner, just know that everyone is coming together. All the at-homes and all the payroll fly babies, everybody who's wearing the same shoes you wear, and we're getting the kids to help us clean the kitchen, the family to help us clean the kitchen. It's not a giant mess, so it'll be super easy to clean. Okay, now let's think about Wednesday. This is Wednesday, so our basic weekly plan item for the day is desk and planning. So at work on your lunch hour, my encouragement is, if you're listening to this in the morning, is to put those action items in your purse. So on your lunch hour, you can make the calls you need to call for action items, right? Or pay the bills that need to be paid. Look at your checking account. Make sure you're balancing your checking account. Make sure your budget's on point. Okay, this is also the day you're going to make your grocery list. So before you leave home, take a peek in the fridge, take a picture if you need to. What kind of condiments and things that you use every day are you short on? Do you need milk? Do you need eggs? Do you need mayonnaise? Do you need butter? Do you need sriracha sauce? Whatever. Look and see, and put that on your list. And then see what you can use in there, and see what you can use in the freezer and in the pantry to create your menu. Don't forget, creating a menu is very, very simple. 3 things: protein, starch, and vegetable for a standard diet. You can do this, okay? Tonight, for my parents, I'm making hamburger patties, not hamburgers, hamburger patties, broccoli, and rice. That's a protein, a vegetable, and a starch. Very simple. They love it. They seem to like simpler foods when they're older. So that's what I made. Yesterday I made a Weight Watcher recipe called egg roll in a bowl. Dad wouldn't touch it. He wouldn't touch it. He had buttermilk for dinner. Anyway, he had other snacks too. Don't worry. He wasn't hungry. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take care of that. Now let me pop over real quick to the At-Home Fly Babies and give them a shout out. So At-Home Fly Babies, again, this morning, get up and do your morning routine. After that, the children's routine. Also, the third thing is if you have pets, like this little pet that you see walking around here. Sissy, Sissy, Sissy. Oh, she's right here. She's down here. No, she's back there. Hi, Sissy. So Sissy is an indoor dog, so I have to clean up her pad in the morning. I have to feed her. I have to put her out to let her go potty. I have to make sure she gets her exercise. That's a requirement. You have to do that. So it's my third thing of my routines in the morning while I'm at Mom and Dad's house. I still need to put her collar on and put her hair up, but I'll do that in a minute. I wanted to get this off to you real quick. All right, so the next thing is then you're going to start your laundry. And listen for it, you know, listen for the laundry. Don't leave it in there all day. Now, at my parents' house, I'm on a schedule. So Mondays is sheets. My sister does that because we don't switch off till noon. I'll do them next Monday when I switch off before noon. Tuesdays is towels. Wednesdays is whites. Thursdays is mediums. Fridays is darks. Saturdays is another load of towels because I wash the dog on Saturday and we have extra bedding and things like that. All right, so that's the plan here. Towels for me today. No, today's Wednesday, sorry. I'm recording this on Tuesday, but really, towels for me today. Tomorrow will be whites, which for you is Wednesday. Confusing, I know. It keeps me confused, the little squirrel that I am. Okay, so we've done laundry. We've gone through our inch of paper. We're going to do our basic weekly plan. So you're going to go in there and give the fridge a little wipe down, throw away the things that are yucky, make your menu plan, make your grocery list, balance your checking account, make sure your bills are paid, handle the things in your inbox, both filing and handle. That's what you're going to do this morning. Then after that, you're going to spend maximum of 15 minutes in the kitchen, either decluttering if you still have clutter, or if not, picking one thing and doing that thing. So pick something that needs to be done and do it. No more than 15 minutes. Let's say you decide to clean the refrigerator. And it's going to take you more than 15 minutes because you can see that when you're working on it, you're doing one shelf at a time. Maybe in this case, you want to do the freezer as well, and you just don't have as much time as you thought. Then just do the bottom of the refrigerator today, do the freezer tomorrow. You can do it. All right, that's it for today. Afterwards, for your work, and now you're free. You're free. You can go do fun things, right? You can do things that you want to do. You can play with the kids. You can read a book. You can take a walk, you can have homeschool, whatever it is that you do, you're free to do that now. All right, then afterwards, we're going to have dinner tonight. And after dinner, the whole family's going to clean up. We're all coming together as a giant family, doing it all together. And then our before bed routines are the last thing that we all do. And that's if you're tired, you do yours first. If you're not tired, the kids come first. Let me repeat the kids before bed routine. And that is, we're going to have 3 clutter checks if you're at home. In the morning after breakfast, clutter check, make sure the kids aren't cluttering. After lunch, clutter check, make sure their toys are put up again. And the final thing, clutter check, is after dinner or right before bed. And you give them a 30-minute warning to remind them gently that in 30 minutes we're going to get ready for bed. And then 5 minutes before that 30 minutes hits, one final reminder so it's not a jogger to them when you finally tell them they've got to go to bed. And then we have clutter check. We pick up our things and you organize that and oversee it, but don't do it unless your babies are little, right? You can oversee it. Put that in there. Good. Take that there. That's how they get it in their brain, the little pattern of how to clean up. Then they take a bath. If you need to wash heads, make sure their hair is washed. Teeth are brushed. PJs are on, dirty clothes are in the dirty clothes, towels are hung up, pick out a story, look at your calendar, see what you have on there for your children. Is there something due tomorrow that you need to have ready for them? Did you forget to make brownies? Oops, you better get back in the kitchen. Hopefully you've looked at your planner and planned out your day so that doesn't happen. But get everything by the front door that they need for school if they're going to school, and then tuck everybody in. Remember, one story or one chapter of a chapter book. Have a fabulous day. I want you to all remember that you are beautiful.